Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has perfect plan for our lives, but He never reveals them to us all at once, just step by step, because He wants us to walk by faith and not by sight. Never lose faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Keep all your trust in Him and always appreciate what you have. Talk to Allah. He is waiting to hear from you. Cry to Allah. He is waiting to remove your tears. Pray to Allah. He is waiting to answer you. Assalamualaikum rahmatullahi barakatuh. Don't forget to click the bell and next to the subscribe my channel to be notification of new upload. Thank you.